What's up, guys? Big Collab 34 coming at you in between two trailers. We're out here at Street Car Takeover Indy at Lucas Oil Raceway. So many people are gonna get butthurt about this. Don't get butthurt. I'm just gonna say it. We got somebody dabbing in the background. Chance is back there dabbing. I don't think I've ever seen somebody win an index class and feel so compelled to go and talk to them and see what was up. But with this blue formula, this guy wins like everything. If you go to a Street Car Takeover, you watch the 11 and 12.0 indexes, he's gonna win. Like, he's so consistent, it just blows my mind. So I had to go talk to this dude. I had to see what was up with the car. I had to see what was making the magic happen. Oh my God, what is happening? We're gonna go catch up with him and see what this thing's all about. Also, you know the deal. Like this video, subscribe, ring the bell. Street Car Takeover Indy, here we go. I had to stop over here just to talk to the guy who literally wins just about everything.
I do what I can.
So, can you tell me a little bit about the car?
Yeah, I can. 89 Firebird Formula. I bought this car for $2 grand a long time ago, man. It was a 5-speed 305 TPI car. It's a little 383 pump gas stroker. Doesn't make hardly any power. Nitrous Express, you know, little plate kit, nothing fancy. 350 turbo, reverse manual valve body, 9-inch.
Right.
A basic carbureted Gen 1 setup, just to show that you can win with this. You don't need a 5.3 or 6.0. You don't need to spend 100 grand on a GTR.
Absolutely.
You can win just as much money, man, with this.
I come to a lot of these events.
Yeah, us too.
Do you keep track of how many times you've won an index class? Because it has to be like...
Yeah, I do a lot of index racing anyways besides the SCT events.
Right.
8th mile index stuff, 7.0.
Right.
But these, we've been to, I actually just started coming to these last September. I went to Atlanta. Him and a buddy of mine talked me into it. Quarter mile in 10 years.
Right.
Went down there, won both classes. And said, okay, we can try this. And this is our 4th event this year. We've won. Let's see, we won 12.0 at every event. We've won 11.0 at 2 of them, and runner-up 11.0 here.
Right.
So we've made roughly 40 laps in 138.
Jeez.
So it is what it is. Like I told him earlier, that ain't much, but it's honest work. So
what's the secret to winning at index racing, being as consistent as you are, besides the tip of not lining up next to you? Because that'd probably be a good tip,
yeah,
right?
Stay away, first off. But no secrets, man. Like I told them over there, it's a driver mod. This car feels, as cheesy as it sounds, like an extension of myself, right? I've made so many laps in it that I just know the car. I've made thousands and thousands and thousands of passes, and now it's muscle memory.
Right.
You get up there on the line and you don't think about it anymore. When people struggle, usually it's the guys that run, once or twice a year. They have a real hard time getting up there, still nervous, they're shaky. You got to get out here. You got to get out and make laps and get some experience. And once you get there, man, I'm telling you, it's easy.
Right.
Yeah, it's fun. Fast enough, to go do all the big heads-up stuff. But again, you're racing for the same money.
Right.
So.
Well, I mean, you're killing it out here, so you don't even need to worry about that, right?
Too. And I can drive it and go pick up, take my wife to dinner.
Right.
Do whatever I want to in it.
So you got any? How long have you had this car?
This one, almost 5 years now.
5 years.
Yep. But I had this is my fourth one of these cars. I had a '98 LS. I've had LT1 cars. I've had 4 third gens. I know the cars inside and out.
So you like F bodies a little bit,
Always.
Huh?
Me and my brother, man, since we were kids. He likes Camaros, I like Firebirds. And I only chose Firebirds because he's older and he picked Camaros.
Yeah.
But you don't see them. You don't see them, and if you do, they're junk.
You have a favorite story about this thing over the years? Anything crazy, anything funny that really sticks out about it?
Man, it sticks out. We've made so many passes, man. We went all over this country. Nothing that just sticks out. Nothing that sticks out crazy, man. I wish I had a killer story to give you, but I built the car a long time ago. I've been through it a couple times, and here lately I haven't taken the hood off in weeks. I don't mess with it. Do it right the first time, and you don't have to worry about it again. And it's deadly the way it is. So I told him before, like, man, I feel like we would draw more attention and have more fun and all this if you were like everybody else and you go to the track and you break something. You have to hurry and fix it. You got to work your hind end off all week to try to get the car ready. But we don't do that. I go over every nut and bolt, make sure everything's there, and it is what it is. I wish I had some catastrophic, nail-biting story.
But hey, man, drama-free is the best way to race.
It is. It is. It don't get boring this way.